The title of this video is Dot Plots and Stem and Leaf Plots. First one we'll do is dot plots and then with an example. So a dot plot, a visual display of a distribution of data values where each data value is shown as a dot or other mark, sometimes an X, above a number line, also known as a line plot. Go ahead and pause the video and write down your definition. An example of a dot plot. So it's kind of crowded, but what I did is number of pets survey. So this would be like if we went around the room and asked everyone how many pets they had. So it'd be like one person saying they had 3, the next person had 2, and another person had 2, and then so on and so forth. And we have all of these different numbers because that's the number of pets that a person has. And then below, I kind of squeezed in a dot plot. So what I did is I drew a number line that had 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because those are the numbers of pets that were in our data. And then I counted up how many zeros. There were 1, 2, 3, and 4, so I put 4 dots. I did that for each number. So 0 should have 4 dots. 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. 3 has 4 dots, and then 4 has 2 dots. That's all it means, is that there's 2 of the 4s. You can do these with dots or X's. Go ahead and pause the video to draw your title of your survey, your data, and then plot your data. Okay, the next part of your notes is stem and leaf plots. So the data is organized by least to greatest, and then you organize it by place value. Go ahead and pause the video. So your example of this is number of texts sent each day for 3 weeks. So say on one day it's 35, the next day is 27, 17, 10, and 7. So I have all these numbers. I order them from least to greatest, and then once they're in least to greatest, I can put them in a stem and leaf plot. So if you read the key, 2 line 7 means 27 messages. So right here, I have a 0 for the tens place and then a 2 in the ones place. So this would be like the number 2, 3, 5, 7. Next, it's 10, 12, 14, 17. Because remember, the 1 is in the tens place. That's your stem. This is the tens. And then this is the ones. So this would be 20, 21, 21, 21. Because there's 3 of those, it's because if you look at your data, there's a 21, a 21, and a 21. 24, 25, 27, and 27, because I have 2 27s. That's why I have the 7 listed twice. Then I have 31, 32, 33, 35, and then my last number is 45. If I were to write out all of this data, it'd be going in order from least to greatest. Go ahead and pause your video. Make sure you have all of the notes you're going to be due on Friday.